Hi everybody, welcome to Gala TV. I'm Alfredo Elias, present this fight with Marquez and Pacquiao, the next number. Thank you for following me. If you watch more galleries and videos and interviews, follow galatv.com. Thank you so much.
Andy Pacquiao.
Thank you, Bob. I want to thank HBO and Top Rank Promotion and to all the sponsors of this another big event on November 12th. I want to thank everybody, the media and the press, and also to all the fans around the world, especially to those all the Filipinos. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta. And this is going to be a good fight on November 12 because this is the answer of all the doubts of the past two fights with Marquez. And I know and I believe that he's hungry to win this fight and he will train hard for the fight. And everybody knows that was a long time ago. That was 5 years ago, and I improved a lot of my style, and I will do my best for the good of for the happiness of the people who going to watch on the show. So please don't miss it. It's gonna be a good fight and great fight. It's once in a lifetime. So thank you very much for all your support and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you all for coming. We're going to conclude here.
Everybody down! Down in the red striped shirt, down! Looking at you, down! Down! You're standing, down! Good! Go ahead! Yes, go ahead, Marcus! Go ahead! Go ahead!
Come here, Manny.
They lose the fight, maybe retire, or maybe continue. I don't know what.
Okay, what can you say about about the fans for November 12th?
I want to invite you, my fans in Mexico, around the world. I want to give another great fight.
Okay, thank you.
Entrevístalo tú a él, Juan Márquez.
Thank you.
Juan Manuel, entrevístalo tú a él. Hazle una pregunta.